Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good time the end of the year. And to clear up something that comes up all the time in class, even with very advanced people, and that is the different sounds that we have between the letters G, that's G in Spanish, and J, which is jota in Spanish. Both of them are often in Spanish pronounced like, which in American English is the H sound. In British English, it's silent. But anyway, I first want to cover the words, a list of words here that are with G-A, I'm sorry, G-E, G-I, and sometimes G-Y. Okay. Nataly's been studying this along with us, and she's pretty much mastered it. Adage.
Adage.
Adage is like a saying, or in Spanish we call it a refrán. The old adage, the early bird gets the worm. Okay. Adage, G-E. Next is advantage.
Advantage.
You remembered to take the T out. Very good. You remembered the last lesson. Okay. Legal word, allege.
Allege.
Just like in Spanish, alegar. Okay. Allege. Okay. If you cut your finger, you need a bandage.
Bandage.
Okay. Government official, policeman, transit cop, traffic cop, or somebody has a badge.
Badge.
Badge. Okay. Stopping the weak vowels. Beverage.
Beverage.
You corrected me. Beverage. G-E. Very good. You're driving over a river, you go over a bridge.
Bridge.
Bridge. You sell something like a house or a boat or land, you go through a brokerage.
Brokerage.
Brokerage, or if you bring something into the country, you use a customs brokerage. Okay. I notice they don't have any words here about technology.
Technology.
Geology.
Geology.
Geology. All your synergy.
Synergy.
That's G with a Y, an Y. And remember, the Y or Y in English is sometimes considered a vowel. Okay, back to our list. Acknowledge.
Acknowledge.
Okay, is to verify and understand something, not necessarily agree. Arrearage.
Arrearage.
Arrearage is a polite way to say an amount that's past due for an invoice or something. For our printers, those of you that still use them, we need a cartridge of ink.
Cartridge.
Excellent. If we want to make an image bigger, we enlarge it.
Enlarge.
Hodgepodge.
Hodgepodge.
Has a double G-E. Hodgepodge is something, it could be a verb or an adjective. When you do something quickly and the quality doesn't turn up right, or you mix things together, like you might say in Spanish, revolver. Like you might look at a painting in a museum that's modern. It's just a hodgepodge of colors. Okay. Here's a legal word, Infringe.
Infringe.
Infringe is when you violate someone's rights or their copyright. Okay. Image.
Image.
Indulge.
Indulge.
You know what indulge is?
No.
It's like consentir, yeah, but in a bad way, like spoil a child or an adult even. Indulge, okay? Now here's a double. Here's a J and a GE. The person who decides cases in the court is a judge.
Judge.
Yeah, remember it's judge. Judge.
Judge.
Okay. And somebody who doesn't like to spend money at Christmas time is a Scrooge.
Scrooge.
Scrooge. That's in the famous English Mr. Scrooge made his employees work until 6 o'clock on Christmas Eve, and he didn't buy them gifts, and he went home and went to bed and had a guilty conscience, and at midnight took everybody presents and bonuses and told them they didn't have to work on Christmas Day. All right. Now, let's go over to the solid, regular G. Okay. God.
God.
Point. God. Go.
Go.
Godfather.
Godfather.
Going.
Going.
Goldfish.
Goldfish.
Gollum.
Gollum.
What is a gollum?
I don't know.
Okay, that's all right. You can tell me you don't know. A gollum, actually, the word gollum comes from Yiddish or Hebrew, means a nasty person or a monster. Is called a gollum. Okay. Goal.
Goal.
And you kick in soccer or the kind of objective you have. Golf with a G-O is the game, the exciting game some men and ladies like to play. Golf with a U is like golfo. Golfo, like, you know, we have down in Tampico or on the Caribbean, is with a U. It's the same. Golf.
Golf.
Okay. When you're skiing, you wear goggles. Now,
Goggles.
there's, as you notice, both of those G's are G-O and G-L. Goggles are both next to consonants, or soft vowels, so they're both G. Natalie, once again, you've mastered it. Great work.